Welcome to our quick tutorial on adding overhead expenses in Harvest Profit. Go to your inputs page, scroll down beneath the applied inputs, and you'll find the overhead inputs expenses listed. Now you can create multiple categories for your overhead expenses in the upper right hand corner using our plus categories button. Now to actually add an expense to a category, simply click on add, in this case, repair estimate. I'll type in what the estimate is. So let's say if it's a combine repair, and I expect to have $15,000 repair on this. And this could be an actual expense or it could be a budget expense. And in this case, it is a per total amount. And I'll click save. And this will now be applied across all my crops and all my fields. Now, if you have a certain machine, let's say a dry bean combine, that's only going to apply the expenses to your dry beans, well, I can select another repair expense and just call it dry bean combine repair. And let's just say that's a $5,000 expense. I can then select the crops that I'm going to apply it to. So in this case, I'll choose black beans and I'll apply it across all my black bean fields. I'll do a total amount and then click save. Now you can do things like this for each one of your categories. Additionally, we have a per unit amount. That's if you're trying to apply an expense based on the bushels that you are producing. And then you can also select the entity or entity share that you're applying to. Now, if you have any questions on this, please email support@harvestprofit.com or click on the help button in the bottom right-hand corner. Click the Ask tab. Then your email will automatically be populated and you can send us a message directly from there. Thanks.